If you're having trouble with your YouTube homepage not showing any videos, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through some quick fixes to get your YouTube homepage back to normal. So let's get started. First things first, try refreshing the page. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve the problem. Just refresh the YouTube page. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet. If you can, try opening another website to see if your connection is stable, like this. If your internet is fine, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. For Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools and select Browsing Data, and choose Cookies and Other Site Data, and then click on Clear Data. Next thing, make sure YouTube application is up to date. Now next thing you can do is simply restart your device. So go ahead and restart your device. Finally, it's worth checking if YouTube is experiencing any outages. You can do this by visiting a sound like down detector. If none of the steps work, you might consider uninstalling YouTube and simply install it again. And there you have it. This step should help you resolve the issue of your YouTube homepage not showing videos.